Many factories unknowingly bleed profits. Today we reveal 5 hidden costs eroding your financial health and how to reclaim those margins. Holding too much stock ties up capital and incurs significant storage, obsolescence, and handling costs. Implement lean inventory strategies and demand forecasting to optimize levels. Equipment failures halt production, leading to lost output and rushed expensive repairs. Shift to predictive maintenance and root cause analysis to minimize disruptions. Defective products waste materials, labor, and damage customer trust. Invest in robust quality control processes and employee training to reduce scrap and rework. Outdated machinery and poor energy management inflate utility bills unnecessarily. Conduct energy audits and upgrade to more efficient systems. Manual bottlenecks and redundant steps slow production and increase labor costs. Streamline workflows through process automation and continuous improvement methodologies. Identifying and addressing these hidden costs is crucial for sustainable profitability. Take action now to transform your factory's financial performance.